Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered strawberries. First, you need to prepare your strawberries. Wash them very well and then dry them completely with paper towels. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Choose firm, ripe berries and let them sit at room temperature for about 15 to 30 minutes before you begin. Finally, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will be where your dipped berries will set. Next, let's melt the chocolate. For the best flavor and texture, use a high-quality baking chocolate, like a semi-sweet or bittersweet bar. You can melt it gently in a double boiler or use a microwave. If microwaving, heat in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each, until the chocolate is about 3/4 melted. Then, continue stirring off the heat until it's completely smooth and glossy, avoiding overheating. Now for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its green stem, or for extra stability, you can insert 2 toothpicks near the top. Dip the entire berry into the melted chocolate, swirling it gently to coat. Lift it out, letting any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl, and gently scrape the bottom against the rim. If you're adding toppings like crushed nuts or colorful sprinkles, do so right away before the chocolate hardens. Once dipped, carefully place each chocolate-covered strawberry onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. To prevent a chocolate foot, you can gently slide each berry about 1/2 inch after placing it down. Let them set at room temperature until the chocolate is firm, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. They are best enjoyed within 1 to 2 days. For more great deals and the link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.